I guess media is more like working tool of a government, so they more tends to promote the narrative and agendas that are being manifested by the government. So yeah, I guess वो उस तरीके से पोर्ट्रे नहीं कर पा रहे होते हैं टीम को या what was the second part? Working class पे because ज़्यादा mainly talking about पाकिस्तानी मीडिया तो वो गवर्नमेंट के एजेंडाज और प्रोपेगेंडाज को ही पब्लिक ओपिनियन बना के प्रेजेंट करने की कोशिश कर रहे होते हैं कि एज इफ दे आर द पब्लिक ओपिनियन. I think it's a basic human psyche thing कि आप जिस चीज से रिलेट कर सकते हो उससे आप ज्यादा connection feel करते हो. That is why you will find people no matter how much good of a Hollywood film they are, if the good content comes in their own what you say उनकी क्लास में से लाइक अगर एक बॉलीवुड या पाकिस्तानी फिल्म जो उनसे रिलेटेबल हो उसको कर पाते इस कैरेक्टर से क्योंकि वो उनकी रियलिटी पे बेस कर रहा होता है उनकी सराउंडिंग पे तो वो उसको बहुत ज्यादा प्रमोट भी करते हैं और उसको बहुत ज्यादा आप देखें हाइप भी करते हैं. सो दैट्स अ ह्यूमन साइकी कि वो अपने ही जैसे लोगों से रिलेट करना या अपनी जैसी रियलिटी से रिलेट करना पसंद करते हैं. Do you enjoy morally gray characters? Like serial killers, like yeah. What emotions do you want of film? I cannot specify this emotion because I am a film loving person. तो मैं हर genre की मूवी देखता हूँ. तो इसमें ये है कि I have seen every genre you can name of और मैंने बहुत diverse movies भी देखी है. So I'm a cinematic person to enjoy करता हूँ. So in some movies maybe I'm not enjoying the character or the dialogues, but I'm enjoying the cinematography. But in other movies, I'm not enjoying the cinematography, but I'm enjoying the story. So for me, it's like कि हर स्टोरी में हर करेक्टर जो अपना रोल प्ले कर रहा है आप उस मोमेंट में वो चीज फील कर पा रहे हो. दैट्स अ गुड मूवी फॉर मी. कि अगर एक करेक्टर अपने इमोशंस को हैप्पीनेस में फील कर आ रहा है तो वो इस तरह पोर्ट्रे हो रहा है कि आप वो फील कर सकते हो उस मोमेंट में. एडिंग ऑन कि अगर दूसरा करेक्टर उसी मूवी में सैडनेस को फील करा रही है एंगर को करा रहा है तो आप वो भी फील कर सकते हो. सो हाउ क्लोज टू द रियलिटी द मूवी इज वो ज्यादा मैटर करता है कि आप उससे रियल लाइफ के सिनेरियो को कंपेयर कर सकते हो. एक तो दैट फिक्शनल तो गुड फील गुड मूवी बन जाती है वहां पे. ओके दैट कैन हैपन कहीं हो सकता है कभी हो जाएगा या अदर वर्ल्ड या बट एक होता है रिलेटेबल मूवी जो रियल लाइफ बेस्ड सिनेरियो को होती है वो हर इमोशन आपको फील करा रही होती है. आई गेस हर इमोशन अगर आप फील कर सकते हो हर करेक्टर का हर रियलिटी का so that's a good movie. Thank you so much.
Okay. May I? Okay. Yes, I love to watch such psychological thrillers because it makes me think and relate what I've studied.
What?
The story, the background, the way it moves forward. I mean, you can say the pitch, you can say the context, how it relates to the background. Yes, it should have a story, it should have a background, it should make sense. That's the reason. That's why I'm saying psychological aspects of a movie, they're very important for me.
What type of lighting do you find most appealing in films? It's quite general, I guess.
Natural. Closest to natural.
But we see that in psychological thrillers, most of the time lighting is not natural. It's like very dark and
because they
minimal.
want to give the context.
Yeah.
They want to give an idea. That's the reason why they keep it that way.
Yeah.
And maybe because generally stereotypically अगर सोचें तो ज़्यादा लोग समझते हैं कि कोई साइकोलॉजिकल इशू है तो ज़्यादा डार्कर दिखाया जाएगा. थोड़ा सा क्या कहेंगे डरावना टाइप एलिमेंट ऐड कर दिया जाएगा. कुछ उस टाइप की चीज़ों को ऐड करते हैं तो वो थोड़ा सा डार्कर पर्सपेक्टिव रखा जाता है. That's maybe the reason.
To be honest, a lot it does affect a movie because of course music is a really big factor also as well as like for example like if you're watching a horror movie obviously the sound design is really gonna help you jump scare. So I do think that's important. I'm impartial because to be honest Even though it is interesting to see someone who isn't like all the way bad or all the way good, that is leading the story or a supporting character, for example. But and to be able to see that perspective is really nice. But a lot of the time, morally gray characters aren't treated that way. It's like they always try to make a character edgy and give them a backstory, and
Yeah.
it's not really morally gray. You're just trying to make a cool character to live out a fantasy. Which is
Yeah.
very yeah, to be honest, if it's implicitly relatable, then of course, but like I don't really look for relatability when I'm watching a film. I usually use it for escapism, because obviously it feels good to not be living your own life, but
Yeah.
I don't really care about relatability.
Rom-com.
Start.
Storyline and acting. If the storyline is continuous and there are multiple plots. No,
Ah.
no, I prefer when I'm watching to not be continuous. I like seeing flashbacks and like the end in the beginning in the end, just
Okay.
everyone mixed together.
When do you watch films or TV shows?
Every once in a month.
What makes you hooked to a film?
Me hooked to a film, I think the characters actually make me more hooked to the film if they have been written really nicely. So I get kind of invested in that more than the actual story. I think story can be more driven if the characters are well written and well fleshed out, because then you just know, okay. So you can like kind of understand what their motivations are, why they're doing something. Okay, so you can, even if they're doing something bad, you can kind of resonate with them, because if you were put in that situation, you would have done the same thing, and that only happens if the characters are well written. So that's something that hooks me onto the film.
What genre do you prefer?
I like psychological thrillers. One of my favorite films are Requiem for a Dream, and I don't know if this classifies as a psychological thriller, but it's called Mysterious Skin. They are both really like mentally messed up, and they also have really good psychological thriller elements into it, and also like psychological drama, but they're kind of similar. So yeah. Honestly speaking, I don't really focus on that much on that. I don't really like get too deep into the gender roles and everything that are being portrayed. As a BA student now, I'm kind of starting to notice it, but pehle to I would actually do that.